ankles, gis untucked, like it happens a lot in your match, your gi comes undone. So his gi's undone, I'm knee on belly, he posts on my knee. This time I'm gonna take his lapel and feed it under and grab a hold of it. So I've got it tight, cinched. Now the hand that was holding the leg, I'm gonna come back to this side of the head and grab it with my, grab the tail of his lapel. Then from here I'm gonna reach across his throat, and if I can reach down and grab that part, I will. If not, I'll just grab a wrinkle here. It's wrinkled, and I'll bring my elbow together, go for a tap. If he doesn't tap, I drop my knee to the ground and circle towards his head.
Oh, evil.
You do that again.
Only one more time.
Pay close attention.
Yeah. You're not going to see it again. So I've taken the tail of his lapel out. I feed it through to my hand that was behind his head. Then I take my hand that was on the pants and feed that hand. So I'm grabbing it here. So I've got my right arm under his head. My free hand comes in front of his face, grabs the wrinkle, and I'm going to drop my elbow down to a choke. And it's pretty tight.
And it doesn't work either.
If it doesn't work, I drop my knee to the mat and start circling. It makes it even tighter. But you usually don't have to.
And what if that doesn't work?
If that doesn't work, you put your head on the mat and keep circling. But I don't
Stop.
need to show.
I didn't see that.